Yeah, ridiculous. So yeah, this is Yuma. We caught out last night out of Tucson, and we didn't get to film anything because it's dark. But we're gonna go and get a room tonight here. Found one that's reasonably priced, and then we're gonna ride back to Tucson just to be able to film it, and then shoot back west after going back to Tucson. But yeah, this spot, I don't know, we've always called it the Bluffs. It's a pretty cool area just to come and hang out, watch trains, and have a beer, camp, whatever. But those trees down there used to be super badass camp. The very closest one to the left there, me and Sylvia and a couple other friends had hollowed it out and just made a camp inside there. Like, it was really cool. And it just ended up getting taken over by home bums, I guess. And it's, I don't know if you can see it, but it's completely trashed, like beyond trash. You know, it's one thing for just like a few beer cans and shit like that, but it's just straight garbage. It fucking sucks. You can tell once you're getting further west, the homeless issue, I guess, or whatever. I just don't even get it, man. Like, you can be homeless and you don't need to like trash everything. Like, fuck. It's like motherfuckers do it on purpose or something. I don't know. Whatever. Enough of me bitching. Poor Virginia. It's okay, mama. Yeah, we were walking over here and there was some kind of fucking loud bang. I don't know what, maybe like drilling in a post or something, like a little metal post or something in the ground. It sounded like a gunshot, and so it just scared the shit out of her. So we had to basically carry the whole damn way, like a mile. But I think she's calming down. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see you tomorrow or something.
So look, these are Mexicans in Yuma, Arizona, lined up to go to work at 2 in the morning in the fields. And you guys want to have them go back to Mexico? Look at these fools. Going to work in the fields, probably working 14-hour days. If you're lucky, you know. Just trying to send money back home to their family.
Plus paying for a room.
And paying for a room that's $79 a night. Those are badasses right there.
So yeah, we're gonna catch out today and go ride back to Tucson just to be able to film it during the day. It's a pretty ride. Yeah, because on our way out we didn't get to film. It was all dark. But yeah, we got a hotel room last night, much needed. My tooth finally feeling better. Still on antibiotics though. But yeah, after Tucson, probably shoot over to LA, make our way north so I can get to a dentist. But we have a friend who's gonna be showing up here in February to kind of the beginning of the month or middle of the month, something like that. The 14th of February. But he's coming from Tokyo, Japan. So we've taken him out. We've rode trains with him before. He's like a photographer there in Tokyo. But yeah, he's gonna come and ride with us for a few weeks. So when he gets here, you guys will get to meet him. His name's Kai, cool dude. But yeah, should be getting on a train here in a minute. All right, see you on the train. All right, our train's rolling in. We're gonna go and get on it. Huh, Virginia? Hopefully old Robo Rail Cop ain't out and about. So we're on. Hopefully we get out of here undetected. Oh, we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, we're pulling. Wish us luck. We'll be good once we know we're out of town. Shaman Rock. It's like a badass rail fan spot. It's right just east of the Roscoe sighting. Me and Herb never got to actually go and hang out there. Love to one day. Shit looks awesome. Shaman Rock. I don't know. Yeah, if you ever get a chance you're in Arizona and you like filming trains and just hanging out and watching trains, go to this spot. Anybody's there. Yeah, there it is with the black hole. See, they got the SP. Original sunset line. This is the best part of this fucking stretch between Yuma and Tucson. it to back to Tucson. Nice ride. And it's cool, we didn't even have to go all the way to the yard. Right to where we can get on a bus.
Come here, Virginia.
Good deal. Alright, see y'all next time. Look, she's a little disco ball. Virginia,
Yeah.
safety first, huh?
Yeah.
Safety first.
Come on.
Come here. Man, look at you. You're so cool. Got the ecstasy, Virginia?